All right, we have our first no-till row right here that has 600 garlics planted, lots of bunny poop, slow release fertilizer, and I just added a lot of leaves. I'm about to go get more and finish the rest of this row. Add another layer, keep this garlic protected. It's growing underneath, and you can see the bunny poop in here. That's slow release fertilizer. It's amazing stuff. It won't burn your plants. You can put it on it instantly after your bunnies are pooping. And leaves are excellent fertilizer. As they break down, they create something called leaf mold, which is excellent for your gardens. And it's just helping that mycelium come into your garden beds even more so. Mycelium is what mushrooms grow from. It's also the network that plants truly communicate with each other, and the trees, the roots, and the earth and plants are quite amazing what they provide for us to nourish the soil with. That's real good stuff. So I'm gonna go gather more leaves and finish this row and then work on the next few rows. I'm loving it.